Let's recreate a drift scene. This video is AI generated. I hope y'all ready.
Let's go.
Alrighty, so for starters, I'm gonna show you how to recreate this famous scene of Han drifting his RX-7. I'm pretty sure a lot of people tried to do this, but they failed. I'm literally the first video that I've seen of somebody doing this scene, so kudos to that. I'm like the first person to recreate this scene, but now I'm gonna show you how to do this. So I'll put the prompts in the comments. All you gotta do is copy and paste. Yes, you may have to tweak it a little bit. I know a lot of people had some issues. It's not my prompts, it's the AI trying to figure it out, because this stuff is still brand new. Alright, so if you haven't already, go watch this video on my channel and it will get you started on what you need to do. Now, I'm going to tell you like this. You're going to get a lot of trial and error. Like right there, my car is too big. That was perfect. Right there, it had both cars. Like, I had a lot of trial and error. That one was just my car. Like, it was really hard to do this. So I wish y'all good luck. And I just wanted to make that disclaimer. Like, this one is not easy to have the car in motion. So you need to basically cut and change every little sequence of the scene. Like, even if it's only 2 seconds of screen time that's changed, you need to change that 2 seconds. So I hope this helped. Also, don't forget, if you want to change the person in the video, you must cut that clip of that person and describe them. All you got to do is describe them and say you want to replace that person.